Alright, well, I just started filming, so whatever. You guys do your thing.
No.
That's not your thing, Matt. That was
why are you
retarded.
obsessed?
What?
Why
Why are you obsessed? What the? No. I'm gonna flag this video on YouTube.
Like this is going on YouTube.
Yeah,
It might.
is.
I'm gonna put just about everything we do on YouTube.
What's your account? Because I searched Danger Boy and Johansson Meyer.
It's Johansson Meyer.
Like, I searched Johansson Meyer and it didn't even come up. I hate YouTube searches because I can search for
I
mine.
hate YouTube.
I can search for Nintendo Freak. And, well, actually, now that I have some videos, it'll come up. But before, it wouldn't even come up.
Oh, it's because I only have one video on there and it's private.
So much more.
Well, I search in the channels part, and it should be bringing yours up, but it doesn't.
Well,
You fail.
Let's start singing a song.
I don't feel good.
do you have anything to add to this, Sean?
Start singing your face.
Your signature little nose thing.
No. I don't know. I didn't know how to do that. I just did that already by something, or, it was by happenstance something strange that would have happened.
Do that thing you do.
Yeah.
You know, the thing.
Oh, the thing.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's I've never seen you do that in my life, but yeah, that's it. I need to be in a colder place. It's too hot in here.
Yeah. Your face is too hot in here.
That sounded wrong.
Your face sounds wrong.
I'm leaving before you like reset the area or something. Goodbye.
No.